Yeah, we're gonna take your tech from just basic to something that is totally and uniquely you.
Okay, let's be real for a sec. You spend all this time putting together the perfect outfit, right? Your hair is on point, your shoes are fire, but then you pull out your phone and it's just kind of plain. You know what I mean?
And if that sounds a little too familiar, then oh my gosh, it is absolutely time for a glow up. In this little explainer, we're going to transform that boring phone into a total style masterpiece that is 100% you.
All right, first stop on our glow-up journey, the ultimate case creator. We're gonna start with the biggest, most obvious canvas for your style, your phone case.
So, what's the secret weapon for all of these amazing custom looks? It's actually super simple, a clear phone case. No, seriously, just think of it like a totally blank page just waiting for you to go wild and splash your personality all over it.
And you can match your case to any vibe you're feeling. I mean, check this out. If you're into that dreamy cottagecore look, you could use pressed flowers. Feeling more modern art? Try some cool geometric patterns with paint chips. Want to make it super personal? A photo collage is perfect for that. Or if you're feeling bold and kawaii, you can do a full-on sticker bomb. You can even get creative with nail polish to make these awesome marble designs. I mean, the possibilities are literally endless.
And you won't believe how easy this can be. Let's talk washi tape magic. First up, you just pick your favorite tapes. And trust me, there are so many amazing colors and patterns to choose from. Step 2, you create your pattern. Lay them out in stripes, zigzags, whatever feels right. And finally, step 3, you can seal it all in with a clear coat to keep it looking super fresh. It's so simple, but so cute.
Okay, but what if you're feeling a little extra? What if you want something with more texture, something that really, pops?
Okay, this is where it gets really fun. You could use puff paint to draw cool 3D lines and shapes right on your case. Or, and you're gonna love this, for a super satisfying squishy case, you can actually do this trick with a balloon and some cornstarch. How cool is that? It's like a fidget toy and a custom case all in one. All right, your case is looking absolutely amazing. But now, let's level up. It's time to add that perfect finishing touch. We're talking charms. So what exactly is a phone charm? Well, it's pretty much what it sounds like, a little decorative strap or chain that just hangs from your case. And don't let the size fool you. Even though it's small, it makes a huge style statement and adds so much personality. So you gotta ask yourself, what's your charm style? Are you more of a beaded charm person? Because those can be super elegant and classic. We're talking pearls, cool glass beads, that kind of thing. Or you can make it super personal with letter beads to spell out your name or a favorite word. But then, there are clay charms, and you can get so creative with these. I mean, you can literally mold polymer clay into anything you can dream of. Tiny foods, cute animals, your favorite character, whatever you want.
Oh, and hey, if you want a super quick and easy option that adds a soft, fun texture, you can never, ever go wrong with a cute pom-pom. They're just so fluffy and fun, and they add an instant pop of color.
Okay, so your phone is officially glowing up. But why should we stop there? Let's keep going. Here are some bonus pro tips for a full tech glow up.
You know that plain earbud case? Give it a makeover with some stickers or paint pens. That way it'll stand out and you'll never mix it up with your friends again. Ooh, and you could add a tiny cute sticker right around your camera bump for a little secret bit of flair. Just, be careful not to actually cover the lens. And check this out. Here's a super clever life hack for you. You can actually cut and fold an old credit card to make a simple, portable phone stand for watching videos. How smart is that?
So when you think about everything from the pressed flowers to the little clay charms, the most important thing to remember is this. It is 100% about your style and your rules. There is seriously no right or wrong way to do any of this. Mix and match, go minimalist, go totally maximalist, just do whatever makes you happy.
So really, the only question left is, what amazing, totally you masterpiece are you gonna make first? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Now go get creative.